Meet TechRestore, your trusted partner in education technology. We've been supporting schools with their technology for nearly 2 decades, completing tens of thousands of student device repairs. We're not just a tech company, we're your dependable partner, adding a touch of fun to the process. Partnering with us is a breeze. Request a free shipping label, send your devices, and leave the rest to us. We offer a white glove service, handling diagnostics, warranty claims, and non-warranty repairs effortlessly. Our unique Boneyard program recycles spare parts, saving you money while ensuring compliance with deployment standards. Ready to experience TechRestore? Try our free test drive trial repair and let results speak for themselves. We offer special education pricing. Our Lenovo authorized partners, Apple independent service providers, and Worth Avenue Group and school device coverage approved partners. Consider TechRestore Advanced Care, extensive coverage, no incident fees, and fast claim processing. We simplify administration, leaving you more time for education. Contact us today, and together we'll shape a brighter future in education. TechRestore, saving young minds one device at a time.